Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Kannu Funda. I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are starting our talk show series. Today is the first episode. Well, today's guest, the secret is that nobody has ever called him for a talk show. But we have given him an opportunity and let's see what he has to offer. So ladies and gentlemen, our first Kannu Funda talk show starts today. Welcome Mr. Agnihotri to our show, and let me congratulate you. You are the first person to come to my talk show. So first of all, congratulations for that. I'll make this very quick without wasting anyone's time. My first direct question to you is, what is that one thing which drives you? Rather, what is that one thing for which you work for every day? Obviously, you work to build your own name, you work to build your career. But what is that one thing which you are, if I may use the word, absolutely obsessive or passionate about? Thank you so much for inviting me to your talk show. I was also told that nobody is willing to come as a guest to your talk show, so I also said yes. So it's a privilege to be the first one. People always remember the first one. So thank you very much, and I hope we have a good conversation together. Looking forward to this discussion. Well, that's a good question you asked me. Well, for me, obviously, values, ethics are very important. But the most important thing for me is quality of product. Anything going out of my desk or our organization has to be state of the art. It's not that I don't mind criticism. I love criticism. But I feel very hurt when someone comes and says, oh, your company's product is substandard. Oh, I cannot log in properly. I feel very hurt at that point of time. There only my ego comes. There are times when you have to depend on others to build your products. But for me, if one thing you asked me, Kanav, hey, like I said, what are you obsessive about is excellence in product development. I love it when people come and say, wow, we used your app or we used your company's product. It's excellent, Kanav. Keep it up. When are you launching a new version? So that is my obsession. I love quality products. That's really nice what you just said right now, it sounds very good. But if I may ask you, what is the inspiration behind this story which you just told us? Something which inspired you, someone which inspired you, some learnings, some experiences, some reading. If you would like to share with us, what is that inspiration? As a child, I've always been inspired by Japan. When we grew up in the 80s, Sony was a name. Sony is still a big name, but Sony was a name which was synonymous to quality. There's a nice story about Sony. Before World War II, Japan was always known as a very good cut, copy, paste country. And when Sony was incorporated, you'll be happy to know the vision of the founders was to create quality products and position Japan as one of the best quality product creators in the world. Wow, look at their vision. They didn't have a vision for a company. They had a vision for their country and they delivered it. You also you would also agree to me rather that whenever something used to come from Japan, we used to close our eyes and purchase it. That is the brand positioning they had done. Like today in India, our brand positioning is when we go abroad, people ask, oh, computer engineer, you're from India. That is our brand position. Our culture is our brand position. But we have an excellent opportunity. We are going for Made in India. I feel it's an excellent opportunity for everyone. We should rather go for make perfectly in India. This product is made perfectly in India. If all of us together focus on excellent quality of products and go for perfectly made products in India, our positioning in the world will change. It'll take time, it's not going to happen overnight. But if we go for it, all of us, startups like us, companies who are entering into manufacturing right now, who are going to export, if they build strong, perfectly delivered, made in India products, we will have the same positioning like Japan. So that is my dream for my country also. And I hope in our organization, we can create that impact and make perfectly state-of-the-art, made in India products. That's my dream. That's a great thought you just said. Perfectly made in India products. I'm sure a lot of startups, a lot of companies who are creating products would aim for that because, like you said, this is an excellent opportunity for all of us to position brand India to the world. So, my takeaway from this quick conversation is perfectly made in India products. Thank you so much for coming to my talk show, and I hope to see you soon with another set of interesting conversations. Thank you very much. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much for inviting me to this talk show. I feel so happy and lucky that I'm the first guest at your talk show. So, all the best to you, and we will also work very hard to create perfectly made in India products. And let's all together create state of the art products for the country so that the world recognizes us as quality product creators. Thank you very much. Well, that was an interesting conversation. I never expected that kind of a conversation coming out of this discussion. I hope you liked my first talk show video. Please subscribe to my channel Kannu Funda. I make content on business case studies, my corporate learnings, some knowledge sharing like I did on Walt Disney and Street Hawk, and I like to connect things with nature. Take care. Bye-bye.